Have you tried baking with a microwave or even an air fryer? I thought as much. You're welcome to this video. So today we're gonna explore baking with these two methods and we'll see what our result looks like. So here are the ingredients. We have flour, we have chocolate chips, we have raisins, we have some vegetable oil, coconuts, lemon, vanilla flavor, milk, sugar, and some eggs. Let's go. So I'm going to be using my blender to mix all my liquid ingredients together to save time and give me a smooth blend. I mean, we're about to work smart and not hard. You get what I'm saying? I remember when I used to bake in university. I mean, I sold cakes throughout my university years and I made a whole lot of money, you guys. So I remember then, I mean, the typical method is always, you have to cream your butter and your sugar, you cream. That will take even like 30 minutes. So the sugar is properly melted and you're able to achieve a nice creamy texture. After that, then you begin to add your eggs bit by bit, bit by bit till you exhaust the eggs. Or if you like, you just mix all the eggs in a bowl and add everything and mix with the butter before you then go in with the flour and the rest of the soaked fruit you have, which is the raisins. I mean, that process was tedious. Looking back, I'm like, thank God. Like, thank God that we can innovate. Thank God that we can think of other ways to make work easy for ourselves. So now you can see within few minutes, I have my liquid ingredients nicely incorporated. I've now added the coconut meat, I've added the raisins, I've added the chocolate chips, and now I'm just grating in the lemon zest. This will serve as a preservative and as well release some nice flavor into it. Remember that we added some lemon juice as well. It's gonna take the taste to, you know, another level. Now I'm gonna add in my flour bit by bit and mix gently to incorporate. So back to our gist of baking in school. How did I even start baking? Oh yeah, I remembered. On this fateful day, I said to just, because I love cakes. Like I love cakes. You can buy me with a piece of cake. Anyways, I'm joking. I'm just trying to say that I love cakes. And that fueled my desire to bake and as well I turned it into a business. I mean, the girl is smart now, you know what I'm talking about. So on this fateful day I said to just bake cake. I cut it into small bits, wrapped them nicely, and then I gave it to some of my classmates. Just a friendly, I mean, just a kind gesture. I give them, oh, this cake is really nice, this cake is nice, this cake is nice, you made this. I'm like, yes, I made it. I'm like, yes, I made it proudly. I think I was 100 level then. Oh, and before I knew it, somebody came. Oh, I have a birthday coming up. Can you bake for me? I'm like, why not? Let's do this. I started baking. I started baking. And before I could even realize, I had set up a business for myself in school. Till I graduated, I was baking back to back. I mean, I'm going to try to insert I'm going to try to insert some clips of those pictures of my cakes. That's like how many years now? Mm, that's like 11 to 13 years ago. Yeah, 2012. Yeah, I was in uni 2012. Yeah, 2012 to 2016. Yeah, you can do the maths. I baked and made a whole lot of money. So why am I giving you all of this story? Anyways, I'm just saying that if you have any skill, I mean something that you do, you could as well something that you love to do and you do it well, you could as well just turn it to your side hustle. Turn it to your business, you're in uni, you're at work, whatever it is, and you just be having some cool money sitting pretty in your pocket. Anyway, so I've added the chocolate chips and some raisins to the top. I mean some mixed nuts to the top, and we're going to go ahead and bake this in the air fryer. The air fryer has been preheated for about 30 minutes. We're going to allow it bake for the next I think I set it to about 30 minutes, 30 to 45 minutes on 180 degrees, and then the rest will be put in the microwave. The microwave didn't take long. In about few minutes it was ready. I mean, I think in less than 10 minutes, in fact, 5 minutes, what am I saying? It was ready. Let's check it. To be sure that the cake is properly baked, all you need to do is use either a toothpick, use spoon, use whatever you have, just run it through into the cake. And when it comes out clean, that's say your cake is ready. But when it comes out with the butter still on it, that's to say your cake is not done yet. So this after about 60 minutes, it still wasn't ready. So I had to remove it and put it in the microwave to just finish up the cooking process. Why did I do that? Because of the chocolate chips I added on top and it burns. The heat from the air fryer was, I wouldn't say it was high, but then that was the wrong choice, putting the chocolate chips on top. So if you're watching this video and you want to recreate exactly what I did, please do not add the chocolate chips on top. Putting it inside is just perfect. On top will ruin the look of your cake. I mean, it's going to burn basically. You're going to have like a burnt chocolate and you don't want to eat that. I mean, you know how it tastes. It doesn't taste really nice. So yeah, our cake is now ready. This is from the air fryer. I mean, the air fryer had baked it till like 90%. I just needed a 10% finishing, which was put in the microwave because of the chocolate chips. See how fluffy, see how soft this cake is looking. And then let's check the one from the microwave. Well, for this, I'll let you be the judge of this. Which would you prefer? The microwave is quite fast, but the air fryer is slow and I love it. You can see that the microwave bakes it dry, while the air fryer bakes it moist and yummy. So pick your choice, whatever you like, and enjoy yourself. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed watching and you learned a thing or two from this video.